So my name's Linda Beitz, and my title is Coach, Leadership Development Facilitator, Coach for CEOs, individuals, teams, and I'm also a conflict specialist. And the name of my company, very intentionally, is Solutions Through Dialogue, because I really believe in the power of people through dialogue to creating their own solutions. So what brought me to the Narrative Identity Workshop is a couple of different things. One, I really am deeply moved by the work of Steve Athley, about his presence, and Rob and Lauren. They are people who I've met before in my life, and I just absolutely love how they are in the process of helping to grow and develop other people. They're just absolutely amazing. But the big thing that brought me was to be together, for all of us to be together, and for the middle day that we spent at Deer Hollow, in retreat, at the retreat. That was absolutely transformational. The past few years, my own business has transitioned mostly to Zoom. And that's been, I'm really, quite pleased by how that's worked. And I can list for you all the other really amazing byproducts of that, like connecting with people all over the world. I've got clients globally. But there was something about being together and doing this work of looking at the story of ourselves and how we construct stories and how we can use, our understanding of narrative identity in our coaching work to help grow and develop other people in the direction of their aspirations or whatever matters most in their life was so powerful. It just really reinforced for me that some things can't be on Zoom. You need to energetically feel people. And we spent the day in nature, and it was, my molecules were rearranged. I loved it. Stories are powerful, and the story we tell about ourselves and how we, to be able to get on the balcony and to look at that whole topic of how the story of yourself and how it evolves and where you're constricted in your story is a hugely beneficial thing to bring not only to my own life, but to my work with other people. I personally have an aspiration for people living, working well together, in more human ways globally. But our stories can get in the way of things like that. The stories can constrict us instead of liberate us. So I really think that, exploring, being an inquiry about what that is and how story lives in your life and lives of your clients or the work you're up to in the world is a really useful inquiry. Just how much fun we've had together. I'm someone who really deeply believes in the power of community. It's to be seen and heard and loved and supported in community and to grow in community with others. I don't know what gets more delicious than that. It really is. It's just been a marvelous experience, and I'm really very grateful for it.